Hey guys, I'm Michael Lown from TravelCostaRicaNow.com. Bienvenidos a Mexico. Oh my gosh, what is Travel Costa Rica Now doing in Mexico? I'm gonna tell you, I got the big cup of coffee for this, although you cannot see it. All right, so we went to Mexico recently with our friend Johnny. Do you remember Johnny? He's our medical dental tourism guy in Costa Rica. He's the one that has vetted the doctors, vetted the hospitals. So whether you need hip replacement or plastic surgery, or you're looking for stem cell therapies or dental implants or breast augmentation, whatever it is, in the medical dental tourism field, Johnny can hook you up with the right hospital, the right doctors that are best going to meet your needs, so you don't have to worry about it. And that's what he's been doing for us. So, but what we never told you is he's also been doing the same thing, exact same thing in Mexico for the last 5 years. Why didn't we tell you this sooner? Is because we're Costa Rica. But what we decided is, hey, let's give the people that watch us options. So what we did about 2 months ago, I interviewed Johnny. This is a video. I'll put the link in the description if you didn't see it. We actually compare Mexico and Costa Rica when it comes to the advantages and disadvantages of picking medical dental tourism in either one of those countries. But we wanted to give you the options. So he asked us to go with him. He wants to find other options in Mexico all around the country. Now, he's been working in certain places and he's got all those, but he wanted to find more so you guys could have more options. So what we did, you can see this, we met with the owners of hospital and CEOs. We just weren't talking to the candy striper or the volunteer. We had some serious contacts there, and he wants to make sure that he connects with people that have the same mindset, want to provide a great service, be transparent, all that, honest, good prices, everything. Because I don't know if you know this about Mexico. Mexico's been at the forefront of medical dental tourism for a long time. They're like probably number one, as far as destinations. But anytime you got something good, people got to come in and run their scams. The bad actors in the field, and you can read those stories in the newspaper. Oh, lady went across the border to get breast augmentation, and then her breast fell off 3 months later, stuff like that. And you read those stories and you're thinking, well, Jesus. So Johnny wants to make sure that the people he aligns himself with are great. So we must have went to 25 hospitals and clinics. We met with, I can't tell you how many people. What was very exciting to me is you'll see the guy, I don't know if you've seen him already, but he has a beard, he's white, he's a good looking doctor. His name is Dr. Ariel Ortiz. There he is right there. So he is big in weight loss. He's been on Oprah. Oprah interviewed him. Larry King interviewed him. He's been on all the morning shows, and guess who? I got to interview him. 2 interviews, probably 2 of my best interviews, really. And I can't wait to show them to you. So this was a whirlwind. We were there for 5 days. We went to Tijuana, that's right across the border. We went to Cancun. We went to in Mexico City. So we were on planes, taxis, and in hospitals. We do have a couple beach shots, and we did get a chance to eat every now and then, as you can see. But man, was it a whirlwind. But it was fun. It was really great to see kind of that Johnny cares as much as he does. Who's doing this really for you? We are. We went there to do this for you, so you have options, and not just Costa Rica. Sometimes Costa Rica is going to be the better fit for your medical dental needs, and sometimes Mexico is. And we're working with both countries, and Johnny works with both countries, and you can see he wants to make sure he's going to connect you with the perfect people, the perfect hospitals. Trust me, they all didn't make the cut. They all didn't. We walked out of a couple places. We'll never set foot in this again, because unfortunately there are a lot, even big hospitals. They know the game. And a lot of them are in it for the money. And we ran into those places. We did. We're like, okay, we get it. No. We even went to this other island, Isla Mujeres or something. See, we were tired. To check out this kind of a clinic setting that worked with emergencies. So we really went around right there. So we went around to all these places. It was a really great trip. And so man, if you're interested, go to travelcostaricanow.com, and you want to talk to Johnny, scroll down, fill out the form, and he can help you out.